but I'm going to be using ChatGPT because ChatGPT has a model, a thinking model, right? When I select this thinking model, it basically does a lot of reasoning. And when I select this thinking model, I have light thinking, standard thinking, extended thinking, and heavy thinking as well. For this particular task, I'm going to be using heavy thinking, right? Because here, what I really want to do is I want to have ChatGPT use its thinking model and give me better copy for this entire landing page. So I'm going to give ChatGPT some context, but before I even give the context, I want ChatGPT to be able to see this entire page. How can I allow ChatGPT to see this entire page? Can you all tell me on the chat? How can I allow ChatGPT to see this entire page? Because I feel if it sees this entire page, it will get more context. Lot of you are saying paste the link, share the URL of this page to ChatGPT. Well, I could do that. I could absolutely just do this. But ChatGPT or any of these LLMs do not have the direct ability to go into your websites and read through the content completely all by themselves. This is number one mistake that people make whenever they use AI models. You need to understand that these AI models cannot go into hyperlinks all by themselves. Even if they try to, they will not be able to capture the complete information. So what are we going to do over here? You already saw that AI models have the ability to read through images. So I have an extension that I use called Go Full Page. As I launch this extension, I can take a screenshot of this entire landing page. Someone says print screen, right? I can do print screen, but that will only capture my current screen. What an extension like Go Full Page does is it captured the whole landing page for me right here and gives me the option to go ahead and download it as a PNG or as a JPEG file as well. So I download it as a PNG. I come to ChatGPT. Now I'm simply going to drag and drop this PNG. Now these AI models have something called as OCR, because of which they have the capability of reading through images. And now what should we do? What should we do? What is the next step? Can you all tell me on the chat? Yeah, Pavitra got that absolutely right. Was the first one. Of course, a lot of people are getting it right. We have to build a prompt. So here is what my prompt is going to look like. And I'm going to follow the magic prompt formula. And I know the magic prompt formula at the back of my mind right now because of extensive prompting. Right? So here's what I'm going to say. And then I'll explain it to all of you as well.
Here's 6.
Hey, I want you to take the role of an experienced conversion rate optimization expert. You have about 20 plus years as a CRO expert.
I need to fuse these, chat.
And you're extremely good at analyzing landing pages and improving landing pages.
What's up, grilled sausage? All right,
we run something called as the 2-day generative AI mastermind inside of Outskill, and I've gone ahead and attached the current landing page of the Outskill mastermind.
Oh, I have 5.
Landing page converts at 6%, and I'm looking to increase this conversion rate to 14%.
And
now, as an expert CRO analyst, I want you to go ahead and wear a critiquing lens and break this landing page into multiple sections. Wearing a critiquing lens, I want you to analyze every section that you're breaking this landing page down into. And for every section, I want you to tell me what
so we got a gold carrot and a gold
on a copy level and on a design level as well. So go ahead, add your critique, tell me what needs to get better.
Yo, Astro Blue, thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate it.
And once you do this for every section of the landing page, I also want you to give me new copy. By stepping into the shoes of an expert copywriter, I want you to give me new copy.
Wait, what was that?
You think will convert
what did I just get?
16% or 14%.
What was that?
And along with the new copy, I want you to go ahead and also give me design guidelines that I can give to a designer so that we can have another iteration of this landing page created.
I got some more I can do real quick, so let me grab them.
Did you understand the whole task?
Mr. Carrot. And there you go. There you go.
Somehow the whole thing
Mr. Carrots is what it was called.
So I will ask Whisper to kind of retry to create the whole prompt for me right here.
See
It is going ahead, and the AI model of Whisper is working right now.
Is the fuse
If it
machine
doesn't work,
broke
I'll have
right
to
now or
repeat
something?
whatever I said again. So I truly hope that
I
it
don't see it.
works.
Let me just keep going.
Let's see.
All right, fuse,
So this
here we
is
go.
yeah, it worked.
It's
So
called
it didn't
Mr.
catch it
Lost
initially,
Carrot.
but now
Oh.
it converted the whole thing into a prompt.
Mr.
So I copy that
Lost
and I come
Carrot.
here and I go ahead
I'll
and
see
paste
it. It's not in my
here,
inventory.
I'm also asking ChatGPT whether it
It's not in my inventory.
So it tells whether it has
It's not
understood
there.
or
What
not
the heck?
and repeats
All right,
the
let me
whole
skip
thing.
this. It's
So I
under
went ahead,
Brainrots.
put this complete thing in, and I'm giving it a role of a CRO
Mr.
expert.
Lost
Let me tell you
Carrots.
this.
There it
A CRO
is.
expert
Yeah, I
today
thought it
would
was a
charge
plant.
anywhere between 20 to 20 lakhs per annum. But
I
you
bet.
currently have the ability
Oh
to
yeah,
give
that's
the AI
really good.
models
62,000. That's really,
and
really
because
good.
these AI models are trained on
That's
vast amounts
really,
of data
really
set,
good.
when you go ahead
Oh,
and give
another.
them a
Let's see how much
specific
this one
role,
is.
you basically
This
what
one's
happens is
34,000.
it
Still
narrows
really good.
down the thinking process
Right.
of the
I am
whole
your
AI
biggest
model,
fan.
and it looks in
Garrett,
that
I
part
can't-
of
I
the data that it has been trained
place
with
you
that
down,
relates to
place
the
you
CRO
down.
expert language that we have given.
I'm
So it is now
confused.
trying to go ahead and
Get
you can
lots
see
of
what
fu-
it is doing. It is checking the screenshot, reviewing the
Fuse.
whole screenshot. I have the option
Get
of
lots
skip,
of fusing
but I'm
going
not
on. We got
skipping
2
it
minutes,
so
Chad.
that,
2 minutes.
It really thinks through
Yo,
and
Lanky
gives us
Games.
an
Thank you so much,
entire
Lanky
critique
Games.
as
I
well,
appreciate it.
right? And while all of you do that, I'll go
And
ahead and
skip
give
the
you an interface
fuse.
of Replit as well.
Here's
now,
more. I need more
I'll show you
Mr.
the
Carrots.
interface of Replit. It's
I
a
need more
beautiful
Mr.
platform
Carrots. I'm
that
running
you can
out of
go
Mr.
ahead and
Carrots.
use to be able to
I
build
only got 2 more.
websites and landing pages without
Only got
having
2
to
more.
write code all by yourself.
Let me place
The
down
other
another one
tools that
here.
you can go ahead and use for the
Place
same
plant.
purpose are Lovable.
Lost
I'm sure a lot of you would have heard of Lovable as
Fuse.
well. We will go ahead
All
and
right,
put the
chat.
prompt on Lovable
In about
also
as soon as
and
I'm
see
done
what
with
is the
this,
kind
we're
of
gonna do
output
a
that
we're gonna
comes
do a
up.
sub and follow
another
farm.
tool that you can absolutely
All right,
go
I'm gonna
ahead
give a
and
shout
use
out to everyone
is
that subscribes
called
and
Bold
follows
dot
right
View,
before
which
admin
is
abuse
also
begins,
very
okay?
very good when it comes to
I wonder if we
ting
can join-
sites,
is
landing
Jandal
pages,
online?
and
Let me
even
see.
products. But when you want to be
Jandal.
very extensive, I
He
would
is
still
in
go
studio,
ahead and
yeah.
suggest
I think
use
he's
Replit,
doing
or
admin
if you
abuse, so
take
we'll try
one
and
level
join him.
above. There are things
We'll
like
try and
cursor
join him.
and all of that for which
Mr.
you will
Carrot,
have to learn
Lost
a lot
Chala
more. The learning
Doritos.
journey slightly gets extended, but
And
this
I'll
is something
take
that
that.
can
This
help
is the
you get
rarest
started,
brain
right?
rot.
All of these are
Wait. Oh, the Mateo? Okay, hold on.
applications that work with an AI model running at the backend, and the
I'll
AI
look at it,
model
I'll
that
look at it.
runs at the backend.
Yo, Pilly
is
with the
nothing but
50
what you have
gifted
already
members.
seen.
Thank you so
Claude
much.
stream,
Red
right?
heart emoji.
Claude,
Thank you,
Red heart
K-pop
emoji.
demon.
model,
Red heart
the
emoji.
same tool that we have
Red
used.
heart emoji.
This model is very, very good
Thank
when
you
it
so
comes
much,
to writing
K-pop
code.
demon. I appreciate
And
it.
all of these coding
I
platforms
appreciate
or
it.
agentic platforms that we
Right,
have,
Carrot,
be it
there we
Lovable, be it
go.
Gold, or be
Carrot
it
and
Replit,
Carrot.
all of these use Claude's AI model at the backend
Let me go back
to be
to
able
my
to write
base.
code. But the difference is that these are
And equip
applications
best
that
brain
can
rats.
build the front end and also the back end.
There we
whereas
go.
Claude cannot do that.
Yeah, got all
So
those
these
carrots
are the
equipped. Now we
vertical
are
tools that
over
we are
2 million
using,
a second.
While
We're ready. We're ready.
ChatGPT is the horizontal tool that we are
All
using.
right, I'm
Are
gonna
you
go
all
ahead,
getting a good sense of what
And
we are
for the
trying to do?
next
Give me a
60
thumbs up if you're
seconds,
getting
I'm
a
going
good
to shout
sense of
out
what we are
everybody
trying to
that
do.
subscribed, chat. Y'all
Or
ready?
drop in
Watch
clear
this.
on the chat if what I have
Watch
done so
this.
far is very clear.
Let me give
We
everybody
will
a shout
share
out real
everything,
quick.
right? Don't worry about it. We will share everything.
Here is a list of everyone subscribed to me.
Wonderful. Now,
Thank
let
you,
us see what
DIT Gaming and Editing
ChatGPT
for
has
subscribing.
done for us as
Thank you,
a CRO analyst.
Necro Knight
And
Games. Thank
this
you, Katie
drop in a
Talk.
heart
Thank
if,
you, Smiley
you
Face. Thank you,
absolutely like
Sharina.
this detailing
Thank
that
you,
it gives
Jay
us,
the
right?
Blimp Man. Thank
It
you,
says,
Dino Edits.
because
Thank
I've
you,
asked
OK
you to
Have
understand
Fun.
the whole task,
Thank you,
it
Ozzy
says
X
absolutely.
Game
I've
for
reviewed the
subscribing.
landing page, and if I now click on this,
Katie.
what it has done is it
Already
has
said
written
Katie.
some
OK
code
Have
as well.
Fun. Already said that.
And
Dino
it
Kino.
Went through
Corey,
every
D-Block,
section.
Jennifer
You can
Hughes.
literally see what it has
Temptation
thought through.
Unlimited.
And then
the
it
heck?
says, I'm going to
Salt
tell you
Man,
what are
Ghostface in
all of the
VR,
things that
Boba's
you need to do
Revenge,
to get
I'm
to
Rin
your goal
Sheriff.
of
Thank you so much for
increasing the conversion
subscribing.
rate from 6 to 14%.
Savage Boys, thank you for subscribing.
And
Scroll
here it says below
YT,
is where you
Sarah
will find
Disher,
section by section
Drisha,
tear down.
Happy
I'll
Day,
zoom in
Astro
slightly so that
38,
you're
Your
able to
Daily
read
Blue
through.
Dude, Constantine,
Section
Chevrolet
by
Bartley,
section
200
will be
IQ.
fresh and ready to paste copy for
Gerard
each section.
Petit.
Love you,
Concrete design guidelines you
Thank
can
you
hand
so much.
to a designer.
Jazz,
And all
thank
of
you
the
so much
takeaways.
for subscribing.
And
I
look at
appreciate
this.
it. Rip
literally
Andre,
literally broke
Abraham
it down
Johnson,
into
they were subscribing.
so
Nathan,
many different sections
Nirja,
right in front of us.
Legendary
It broke it
EXE.
down into
Thank you guys
15,
so much for
16 different
subscribing and
sections
following.
and has
I
gone ahead
appreciate
and
it.
given us design guidelines as well. It has
chat.
gone ahead and given us complete copy deck and everything around it.
Actually, it's not
right
7 yet. We
here.
still got.
And it
still got a
says
minute.
if you would like,
I'll keep reading.
I can
Gaming
also turn
Legend.
this
Thank
into
you,
a
Nathan.
wireframe spec.
Matt,
we don't need that at this point of time.
Boosinage.
What I'm going to do
Granny
is I
tips,
should
Whitey
be reading
plays.
everything, but I'm not
Jose Ferreira.
reading everything at this point of
Bus
time.
Fun
I'm trusting
Bergen.
ChatGPT and I'm
OMG,
clicking
no
on
cap
copy.
for real.
Now, we
OMG,
need to
no
convert
cap
this
for real.
entire
Thank you for
thing
being
into a
subscribed.
beautiful looking landing page for the generative AI mastermind.
All right, chat, it's
I
admin
hope we
abuse
are
time.
able
Y'all
to do
ready?
that. So I come to
Y'all ready,
Replit,
guys?
I go
Let me get
ahead,
the timer
paste
off.
this entire
There we go.
dump right into
All right,
Replit.
it is
And you
time
can
for
see
admin abuse,
It got
chat.
pasted right here as
It
a
is
page.
time for
right?
admin
Everything that
abuse.
ChatGPT has given us.
Yeah, let me see if I
It's
can
right
add
here.
people. Well, actually, I can't add anyone to the server right now because
Right? That
it's
is
full
the
right now,
context
so.
window, the difference in the
I
context
can't do
window
that
size
right now.
that this platform
You're the best
has.
streamer.
I'm
Thank you
gonna
so
give,
much. Slash claim. Yeah,
Replit
thank you so
also
much for
some
the members.
instructions
I appreciate
right here
that.
so that it does a fabulous job and
100
none of us get
members.
disappointed.
Thank you very
with
much,
this, right?
man. Slash claim. Slash
Hey,
claim.
I want you to
slash
take the
claim.
role of an expert visual
Thank you so
designer
much. Thank
who has
you.
gone
What's up,
ahead and
Stoby? Thank
designed
you for
for
the members,
companies
Stoby. I
like
appreciate
Apple,
you.
Cred,
I got banned for a day because someone was
Netflix,
being rude to my
which
friend.
have incredible designs.
me,
I want you to go ahead and design
Is
a
Jandel
landing page for the
online?
generative AI mastermind that is
Let's see,
conducted by Outscale.
Jandel. He is
As you
still in
design this
studio.
landing page, you need to know
Who's
that
who's
I
the
went
other
ahead
guy
and consulted a
that
CRO
owns
expert
this game?
previously.
It's Armin,
The
right?
CRO expert
Armin?
went through my entire landing
What's
page
his
and
name?
gave a critique
Armin. Is
on
that him?
every
No,
section
that's
of the
not
landing
him.
page and also suggested
That's him right
new
here. Wait a
copy
minute.
that
This
needs
is
to
him
be
right here.
used. Now, everything that the CRO expert
Jandal
had
is
given
doing
me,
admin
I have gone
abuse.
ahead and
Oh,
pasted it
shoot.
in this prompt.
Oh
And I
my
want you to
God,
take a look
Jandal
at
is
all
doing
of what
admin
the CRO
abuse.
expert has said. Include
Can I join
all
him?
of that in the new
Wait,
landing
let's see if
page
I can
that you
join
will
him.
be
Hold on,
designing.
chat.
But
Hold on,
as
can
a
I join
designer, your job is to make sure that the landing
this
page
gonna be
that you
their
end
server?
up
Oh my
designing
God.
comes
Oh my God,
out
I'm in.
in a very
Chat, I'm
beautiful
in.
manner. It needs
I'm
to
in.
look
I'm in, chat.
polished
I'm
and
in.
professional. It needs
I'm
to
in
have
right now.
gradients and it needs
W,
to also
alright.
look extremely
Yo,
stunning.
we got
I
Jandal
want you to use
admin
the
abuse.
colors
We
black
got
and neon
Armin in
green
here.
so that
We got
the brand
Ja
colors of
Latte in
Outscale
here.
are met.
We got
Please take a look at the
everybody
entire
in here
CRO
right
dump
now.
and design this entire
Everybody
landing
in
page
here.
for me.
This is now turn off performance.
Wonderful.
I don't want
I
don't
said
want
this,
performance mode.
and I think
Turn
all of
that
you
off,
have
turn
gotten
that
a
off.
sense of what I instructed.
I got
it to
some
do.
hype
Give me a
music
thumbs
playing.
up
There
if
we
you
go,
understood
chat.
what I said.
Preet, do you like my plant? I do like your
Perfect.
plant,
I'm
Armin.
just
That's
gonna
very
simply
nice. That's
copy
very
this at this
good.
point of time.
That's very
And
good. Ja Latte. Bro,
I
look
will
at Jai.
hit start.
Holy
chat.
crap. Look at
Why did I
him.
copy it? Because I can now go
Dang.
ahead and
Oh, he
paste
put
the
all of
same
his brain
thing
rots up front. That's
on
interesting.
other platforms as well, and we
Jandal
can have the
admin
flexibility
abuse,
of
chat.
seeing which one is doing a better job. I'm
He
sure
said
Replit
Jandal has
will
set the
obviously
server
do a
luck to
better job
2x.
in this
Nah,
case,
nah, nah, nah,
but
I
I've
got
gone
you. I
ahead
got
and
you
put
guys.
it in
Watch this,
on
watch
lovable
this,
as
watch
well.
this.
All at the same
Watch
time,
this.
I'm
4x
doing that
server
on
luck.
Bolt as well. Build
Yeah,
now
here we go,
is
here
what
we
I
go,
say.
here we go.
And let's come back to
4x
Replit.
server luck. Got it.
And here it starts working.
There we go. That
It
should
says
do
I'll
it.
help you create a stunning landing
Bro, that's
page for
crazy
me
that
for
Jandal's
the
doing
generative
admin
AI
abuse.
mastermind.
This is his first
Let me
admin
search
abuse
for any
for
relevant integrations that we need.
Plants vs.
Now, this
Brainrots.
is why
His
Replit
first
is
one.
slightly more powerful than
I
Lovable
wonder what
and
the
everything
command
else because
global
it
delete.
does
You know
a
what they
lot
gotta
at the
add to the
backend
game?
that usually
Whenever
engineers
an
think about,
admin
right?
text pops
now,
up,
it says
it should make a sound
I'll
like
include
in
the following
Garden.
features because it has gone through a lot
That's
of
what it should do.
its own data, and it says.
Alright,
I've
let me
created
grab
a
another
feature
Riot
list based
Potion
on your
as well.
request. If everything looks good, we
Riot
can start
Potion.
creating. It says
There we go,
I can either
there we
create
go,
an
okay.
entire application out of this,
Alright, we're ready,
or I can
chat, we're
start
ready.
with the design. I'm gonna say start with the design and.
Oh, we
hit
got
start
we got
designing.
more developers in here.
Whereas
My first
when you look
admin
at
abuse in Plants vs.
it
Brainrots,
thought for
and
20
I
odd
run
seconds,
global
and
delete
it has
Brainrot.
gotten its visual
Chat,
direction,
type 1 if
and
you want
it says,
Jandal to
please,
delete
please
everyone's
paste the
Brainrot.
CRO expert's feedback. I missed
He's gonna
pasting
do it.
that to
He's gonna do it.
Lovable, so it's asking
I'm
me
just
for
kidding.
it. How smart
Oh
is
shoot.
it, right?
Okay, boss fight.
So I'll remove this.
He's about to get obliterated.
and Hit enter. Bold.
Gone, just like that.
Also
straight
says, please share the CRO
obliterated,
feedback
man.
and I will get started.
Straight
I expected
obliterated.
Also to do that. My bad. See, we humans
Insane.
forget. AI models.
Yo, Riley
remind us,
Bard, what's up? Thank you
right?
for the
So
super chat.
now it
Shout
will
out to you,
start
Riley.
thinking Lovable
Shout out to
also,
Riley Bard.
would
Riley
have
Bard. Bard.
started cooking something for
Riley
us.
Bard.
Wonderful. Replit on
Yo,
the other
Aaron
hand.
Game, thank you so
Yes,
much for the super
it
chat.
is
I appreciate
now
it.
starting to work.
You have
Now,
4
while this
owls? I think I
happens,
only
right,
have the
I'll tell you
one.
one other crazy thing.
Yeah, I only got the one. I got
Right
2 6
now,
7s
I've
though.
manually
6
gone
7.
into ChatGPT, asked it to do
Should I
act like a
set more
CRO
luck?
expert,
Chat, type 1 if
and
y'all want
made
Daniel
it
to do
do
more
all
luck
of the
right now.
analysis. I've come to Replit.
Yes,
I've
sir.
manually
Yes,
posted
sir.
my entire prompt here. I've gone to Lovable.
Hello there,
manually
developer
posted it,
man. How are you?
Gone to Bold, manually posted. Right?
Hello there, my
this
friend.
is not how
What's up,
I
Brent? Thank you for
generally
subscribing,
work
Brent.
on a daily basis.
I appreciate it.
Because you see,
Oh,
I
shoot.
am also using Comet as a
Daniel
browser,
said
right?
relevant.
We will talk about
What
the
did he
questions
just
that
do?
all of you had. You know, which
The
is,
world
it is
glimmers
not
with golden
showing me that
light,
it's free for
transforming
one entire
Brainrots
year
into
when
golden
I downloaded
variants.
It will not
Extreme
show you that it's
increased
free for one
chances of
entire
golden
year, but it
mutated
is going to
Brainrots.
be free
Don't
for one
worry, let me
entire
cook.
year
We'll
for
get
you,
more hype.
and beyond of that as well.
All right,
when you
Jandal.
go ahead and download Airtel user, because they have
Thank
a
you.
partnership with Airtel, and for all the Airtel users,
Thank
they
you,
have given
Nirvana.
1
I
year free
appreciate
access
it.
to Perplexity Pro.
Oh, what?
That is how we also got it. But
Did the
earlier,
developer
Comet
just-
was not free, right? That is what
Did
all
the
of you get
developer of
access
the
to
game
at this
just
point of
oof
time.
me right
but what
now?
I'm talking about right now is
He
when
said-
you have an
What
agentic
the
browser
heck
like
was that?
Comet, you can simply
Excuse me?
give Comet itself the
Excuse me?
instructions, right? You can
If you
basically
do
upload
that
the
again,
whole CRO
my lawyer
analysis.
will
Sorry,
sue.
the whole screenshot of the landing page
Armin,
right here,
you-
and
he
you can
said
give
sorry.
Comet itself a task, right?
Bro, I cannot believe he just did that. I
Hey,
cannot believe he just did
I
that. Where's my bat
have
at?
attached
My
the
baseball
landing
bat.
page of the Outskills AI Mastermind. Now, I
where's
want
my-
to increase the conversion rate of this particular
Bro.
landing page from 6%
It
to
just
14%.
deleted my
And for this,
baseball
what
bat.
I want you to do is, I want you to share this
He just-
particular.
wait a minute. He
you know,
just deleted
image with
everything I had.
ChatGPT's thinking
He
model.
deleted everything in my inventory.
Have ChatGPT's thinking model act
Armin.
like a CRO expert. So craft a
Armin
prompt
just
that will
deleted
help
everything in my
ChatGPT
inventory.
to act like a CRO expert.
Ain't no
It
way.
needs to break down this entire
He
landing
actually
page,
deleted
give us
my
new
baseball bat,
copy
too.
That would convert at 14%
Oh my
and not
God.
6%. Once ChatGPT gives the entire
Oh my
copy,
God.
it needs to go into,
Also, wait, what the
Uh,
heck is that?
let's say, Lovable.
I would hit it with
Open
my baseball
Lovable
bat,
and
but I
put
don't
the
got one.
whole new copy that ChatGPT gives
you guys got
and
it?
then have Lovable
Y'all need a little
generate
help?
an entire landing page for us
Come
that
on, come on,
is
come on,
black
come
and
on, come
neon
on,
green
come
in
on,
color,
come on, come on,
because
come on,
those are the
come on.
colors of Outskill, as you already know. Please execute
Here we
this
go, got it.
entire workflow for me.
LOL, Chad, stop laughing at that.
I basically, in
He
my
literally
broken English,
deleted- that
went
deleted
ahead and
everything
gave
in
the
my
entire
inventory.
task
You gotta be
to
kidding.
Comet, and I hit enter. It will of course take time because
Armin,
it
that
runs on the
deleted
background. I
my
can do a lot of
baseball
other
bat.
things as it runs, but it will go ahead
Can
and it will
I
start spinning it
have
up,
my bat
the
back?
whole thing. Right now, it is given as a prompt. Later,
my
it will
bat
go
back?
ahead and do the entire task as well for us.
That's so funny,
Those are
dude.
the kind of things that
I
you
don't
can
think you're meant to
absolutely go ahead
oof in
and
this
do
game, so
using
whenever you
Comet
oof,
when
it just
you
like
have
deletes
it,
your inventory.
right? But I'm going to stop
I
that
can't
for
believe
now
I
because it's
accidentally
going to
spawned
slow
that
down my
massive
entire browser because it's a very heavy
Yo,
task that
Andrew,
I have
thank you
given
so
it.
much.
But
Valerie
here you
Bowers.
go.
Ayo, Creek
Replit,
High. Let me get
as
an
we are
Ayo,
speaking,
Oliver, wake
is
up
going
on his
ahead
mom.
and
He loves
creating
you.
the
Screams
landing
are so
pages for
funny.
us.
Thanks for the laugh.
And
Yo,
here in
shout
the
out to
preview,
Valerie
you can go
Bowers.
ahead and see the kind of direction that it is taking. But I
How do
want
I
to
do
show
that?
you what it is doing.
What do you mean, how you do that?
Back end.
What you mean? How do you get my baseball bat back? You're the owner of the game. What you mean? What you mean? How you do that?
Look at this.
What you mean?
When I open
What
the
you mean
code
right
file
now?
right
No. What is that even?
you will be able to see.
Oh, wait, I
that
gotta drag. Wait a minute.
Replit actually is writing.
Wait a
hundreds
minute,
of
I got
lines
some
of
good
code
stuff, though.
for
Hold
us
on a minute.
As we are speaking, you know, I can see
Wait a
the
minute.
whole the client file,
Yeah.
SRC file, the
Equip best
libraries that
Brainrots.
has gone ahead and created, the components that it has used. It has
Oh,
used an
shoot,
agenda
I got a
timeline,
big
bonus
drag.
section, and when I go into the bonus section, right?
We're
it
almost at
basically
3
wrote
mid.
all
Oh my
of
God, I got a
this code
6-7.
all by itself
Chat, I got a
as
6-7. I got a 6-7.
if you think this is mind blowing,
Who wants a
Now,
6-7,
at
chat?
this
Oh, I
point
got
of
two
time,
6-7s.
you know, it is
Who
still
wants a 6?
working,
I gotta
and it tells
keep
you what it
those.
is working on right here.
Yeah,
it is
chat, who
working
wants
on
a
the
6-7?
client SRC page at this point
Creek,
of time.
I got you.
All
You
of
got
it
me on it.
without
What
us
you
having
got?
to
What
do
you got?
anything.
What you got?
Lovable, by the way,
What you got?
already finished its work. And if you see,
I'll
it has
use a
also
command.
written code.
Okay.
And you can just
Me,
go
I want
into
a
the
6-7.
preview
Yeah, we
mode
can give these
and
away,
you
I
will
think.
be able to see the whole review come out.
You'll get
I'll
your
open this
inventory back.
for
Let's
all of
go.
you at this point of time in full screen so that
Thank
you're all able to see it completely.
W, we're getting
Of
our
course,
inventory back,
for
chat.
some reason, the alignment is completely off.
running a
So I'm going to go ahead, take a screenshot of this entire
What just
page,
happened?
come back to my lovable screen. I will
Oh, it's
just
back.
upload this.
It's back.
And I say,
Did it work? Yes. I thought I
I
got
think
banned.
the entire alignment on the
My inventory is
hero
back.
section
W,
is
chat,
completely
W.
off. It is not fitting in. I have
We
gone
are
ahead
so
and
back.
attached the screenshot. Please look into
We are
this and
so
correct
back.
this entire thing for me.
Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I need to favorite some of these. Hold on.
Yeah.
Favorite.
Paste it, and there you go.
And
Done. It will again
favorite,
start
favorite,
you know,
favorite.
working. Now let's not look at this. You see the
Favorite.
kind of output that has come up, right?
I think that
the
may have
output is
duped
great.
my inventory.
I love the gradients and all of
I
that.
think I
that
might
has,
have
you know,
even
kind of,
more stuff now.
added, and it has gone ahead and
Let me
added
see,
the
let me
pricing
see, let me
section
see.
as well and given this
Equip
huge
best
card
brain
for
rots.
it, which is very, very nice.
Oh, no,
But
it didn't. Never
this
mind,
is
never mind,
still
never mind.
not
Did not dupe my
complete.
inventory.
So
We're good.
I'm going to close this. Let
me sell everything.
run once again because
An upside
like human
down
beings
dragon
make mistakes,
Canelli has
I think
spawned.
Lovable also slipped in into a mistake here. But
Who
Bolt,
has an
on the other
upside
hand,
down
is
Brainrot?
also done with its stuff.
I got
and
one.
you will all notice
I got a
that
few of 'em.
the copy is looking very similar
Got a few there.
because the copy is
Grown
actually
man, by the
coming
way.
from
Grown man, by
a
the way,
horizontal
chat.
tool, ChatGPT. But the design is
Grown
what
man, by
these
the way.
tools are currently working on.
Bro,
Drop in
there
a
is
heart if you
someone in
love
my
what you're
TikTok
seeing on your
chat
screen. Go
named
from
Alyssa
AI curious
Roberts,
to
and I
shipping
thought it was a bot,
automations
but
in
it's not a
48
bot.
hours.
It's not
It
a
is
bot.
given this
Every
nice
time I
little
stream, they're in my
card on the
TikTok
right
chat.
side.
And their
Reserve
profile
please, see
picture
the
is
today
literally
agenda.
just
As
a
I click on
woman's
it,
butt.
it directly takes me
Like,
to the content
every time
of the
I see
curriculum
it,
section.
I'm
and it has
like,
created
dude,
all of these
what are we doing
cards
right now?
for
What
the
are we
curriculum
doing?
section. It has also included
What are we
who is this
doing?
for and in very detailed
Oh
manner
my God,
gone ahead and
what?
explained who this is for
Yeah,
and
yeah.
everything around it. It says
Everybody,
14-day
why is this man
challenge.
getting
That
all
is
these
something that
upside down
they
dragons?
have
I
come
want
up
one of
with
those.
on their own. We have not included
Wait
it
a
from
minute, I
our
want
side.
one of these.
But this is the first
Yo, what's up,
draft
AB the
of
God?
what
What's up,
Bolt
man?
has
Thank you so
created
much for the super
us.
chat. I appreciate
On
it.
a
Thank
scale
you,
of
thank
0 to 10, can you all drop in how much
Hey,
do you like this?
I'm telling your
10 being
girlfriend.
absolutely
Tell my
mind-blowing,
girlfriend what? That
0
somebody
being,
in the chat
nah,
has a,
let's see
a
what
booty
Ripley
profile
does.
picture.
I,
Do the
this is
milkshake
decent.
dance? What's the milkshake
Decent
dance?
according to
I don't
me.
know what that is.
But I'm also super excited to see what Replit pulls off.
What's the
over here,
milkshake
right?
dance? Oh, it's the
Alright,
Stranger
now
Things
for those
portal.
of you who are wondering how this can go live,
Zandal says
you
this
can
is
make
one of my
how many
favorite
ever
events.
iterations to this that you may want to. But when
Chat,
you click
who's
on
excited
publish,
for the new season
right,
of Stranger Things?
this says app is not published yet, but I
I'm
can
very
absolutely
excited.
click on publish
I'm
and
a-
it will
I'm a
start deploying
big-
it in its own environment.
Stranger
And this
Things
is
fan.
natively integrated to something
Me,
called as
me, me, me,
Netlify.
me, me,
So you
me,
don't
me,
have
me,
to take the pain of connecting it to your custom domain and all of that.
Ordinarily
as well.
Brickatoni,
But you can
upside
do
down
that,
brain rot.
you know, if you want to also.
Man, we are
And
just
for all the techies,
destroying
if you have a
right now.
GitHub
What's up,
repository,
Nico? Thank you so
can
much,
push
Nico.
this entire code to GitHub, and
There
then
is so much
use
happening
VS
right
Code
now.
or anything else to be able to go.
I'm gonna favorite that secret lucky egg. Oh shoot!
I've closed.
Chat, if I get a Grama, I'll pick my nose and eat it.
But Lovable has gone ahead and see what it has said.
That was
I can
close.
see the issue.
That was close.
The
That was
hero
close.
section is starting too
That was
high
close.
and overlapping with fixed navigation. The content is being cut off at the top.
Chat, if
Let
I get
me
a-
fix
if I
the
get a
alignment.
Garama, I'll pick my nose.
And it has gone ahead and
I didn't get
fixed
it.
the padding.
I'm not playing that right now,
Technical
man. So
people or the developers
right now I
will
can't.
understand padding.
Wait, this guy's
what
got
it is, and the
100
importance of
million.
it.
Wait a minute.
It understood that.
Wait a
it
minute.
made
Wait a minute.
mistake,
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a
corrected
minute. Wait a minute.
itself,
Wait a minute.
and
Wait a minute.
there
Wait a
you
minute.
go.
Wait a minute. Wait a
Have
minute.
the entire page right here, folks.
Did I
if
do the
you
wrong
are
one?
just mind blown
Oh my god, I did the wrong
that
one.
these AI models
Oh my god,
are
I did the
also
wrong
thinking
one.
like
I just
human
missed
beings.
him.
Drop in a heart.
I actually
right?
missed
and
him.
you see what
Yo,
Lovable
Jandal, can you spawn
has
that again?
created
I just
for
missed
us.
him. Oh my
Again,
God.
copy looks very similar.
I straight up
because
missed
the copy does not
That was
come from Lovable,
100 million.
nor Bolt, nor Replit.
Jandal
Came
said my
from the
wheelbarrow didn't
horizontal
buy.
Java
Yeah, mine
expert
didn't
that
either.
we use. But here, you can basically see the design
Oh,
language.
man,
that it is.
game broke,
I can
chat. We broke the
absolutely
game.
take the landing page from Bolt, take the landing page from Lovable, and
Jay,
also take the landing page
we're
from
gonna need you to
Reflect.
run that one
When
again,
I
buddy.
go into preview, it has given me a very
It's 7:14
neat-looking one.
a.m.
That
It is.
why I like Reflect
Yo,
so
thank
much.
you all so
But,
much for
you
the
know, look
subs,
at
guys. I
Lovable
appreciate
first,
it.
And this
Thank
is
you
what Lovable
for
has gone ahead and
subscribing.
done
I
for us,
appreciate it. Thank you
right?
so much, guys.
Lovable?
Is
Yeah,
that-
this is Lovable. Yes, this is Lovable's
There we go.
complete
Okay, that's
output, and it has added a lot of these gradients and everything
All right,
around
W.
it. And then I will go ahead and show you.
Yo,
Reflect
thank you,
as
Wells.
well
What's
at
up,
this
Wells? How
point
you
of
doing?
time. Let me make this bigger.
Thank you, thank you. In the story mode, your plants will have health. Wait, they're
There
adding
you
a
go.
story mode to the game?
Go from AI curious to shipping automations in 48
Wait a minute.
hours.
Oh my god, they're actually
It
doing
has
Plants
center
versus
aligned all of this
zombies. That's
very,
actually
very well.
crazy.
Learners from all of these companies have come in and taken
Another
this.
idea
What
we
will you
had was
leave
a
with
PvP
in 48
mode.
hours. Here it has added the
Ain't
gradients.
no way
and
they're
it's
actually
like,
doing
I
Plants
feel
versus
this
Zombies.
one is very, very
It looks like they are. That's
eye-pleasing.
crazy.
It's easy to navigate, easy to go ahead
Spawn a
and use as
6-7.
well without a lot of.
Chat, if y'all want a 6-7, everyone spam 6-7. Jandal's probably watching.
That the other two ones have given us.
So you'll
But
probably see.
Yeah,
You'll probably see.
Folks, you have seen
The game is
different
becoming
outputs.
Plants vs. Zombies.
As
The cards
a
look so good.
growth person, I can.
I think our
absolutely
next
go
week
ahead and
update will
deploy
be
all
one of the
these
bigger
three,
cooks.
and I can start running ads on them. I
15,000
automatically
a
have
second.
4 different landing pages. In fact, this is how
I don't think that's
we
better
went
than
ahead and
anything I
created a
have,
lot
though.
of landing pages that you
We are
all
over
might have
3
registered
million
to
a
this
second. Let's
mastermind
go. A
from.
gold
Exact same
6-7.
workflow
There it
is
is.
what we follow.
Chat, I told y'all.
But
he's
let me
watching
know.
this. Chat, I got
I
it.
can say AI mastermind.
All right, here we go. So now we can freeze them and slow them down.
I can say AI mastermind. It checks for ability. It says
Use the
already
frost
used.
grenades. Are they
Okay.
good?
And this is available. I can click on
Frost
publish.
grenade. Okay, I
and
have
it will
some.
go
Let's see what
ahead
they do.
and do all of the deployment work for us, and we will.
All right, right
be
here,
able
right
to
here,
go
right
ahead
here.
and
We're
see
trying it,
Of
we're
course,
trying it.
I need to integrate payment page and all of that. as
Use
well.
it, use it,
Those
use
are
it,
some
use it,
things
use
that
it,
we
use
will
it.
be talking about tomorrow in terms of how
Oh,
you can
that
also
is
go
good.
ahead and do it. Right?
That is
I
good.
hope
You're right.
all of you enjoyed looking
That-
at this
that looks
entire
sick.
workflow and learning how you can also
looks
go
super
ahead
sick.
and create landing pages
Stock, stock,
and
stock,
websites
stock,
without
stock,
having
stock.
to write
Let me
a
see.
single line of code. This is what we will be
nothing
taking
crazy there.
forward tomorrow.
Should I
as
spawn
we learn
another
how to
6-7?
build
Chat, do y'all
products
want
and
him to
everything
spawn
around it.
another
Now,
6-7?
one thing
Yes
that
or
I
no?
forgot to share earlier, I will go
Do y'all
ahead
want
and
him to
share it
spawn
now before we get
another
into
6-7?
the next section, where I'm going to be talking about a
Yes
few
or
next
no?
steps, and a lot of you asked
Bree, Bikus,
one very, very
Dikus, Bomb,
interesting
Bikus.
question, and I'll tell you what that question also is.
Yes, 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 yes,
But
yes.
There
Okay.
you go.
I got
This
my
is
I got
the
my
resource
frost grenade
document
ready.
of. This is the resource document
I got
of
my frost
session
grenade
2,
ready, chat. It's
right?
ready.
We had the whole session on image
I
and
will
video
spawn
generation.
towards the end of
I've
the
gone
event.
ahead and
Okay.
shared the resource document of session
Alright,
2
we're gonna
right
get-
here
we're gonna get
for
one
all
more
of you to
6-7.
go ahead and take a look at.
An upside down 6-7. Oh shoot.
This
Okay.
is what the document looks like.
Upside
it has
down,
the
huh?
entire approach that we took to visual
I want a
storytelling.
6-7 to spawn in. What's up,
why
Slay?
we
How
did
you
what
doing?
we did and everything around
What up,
it. The
Slay?
master prompt as well that Shantanu taught
How
us,
you doing, Slay?
and the links to all the tools that we ended up
Prismatic
using in the
surge, a
entire
radiant
section.
spectrum,
Go ahead
arcs
and
across the
save
land.
it.
Brainrots
But
mutate the
as
dazzling
all of
rainbow
you do
variant.
that, we're going to get into the next segment right now,
rainbows
and
going
in
on.
this
All right.
particular segment, I'm going to ask answer
me
one
get
specific
a
question
few
that a lot
more-
of you have gone ahead and asked.
I need to buy a few
Which
more.
is, how did you come about
Yo, what's up,
creating
Red
this
Fox?
whole
How you doing?
curriculum for this entire landing page? And if
Go.
you have created,
And there we go.
how did you come up with creating the curriculum for this entire
there we
mastermind?
go.
And what are all of the things that we need to learn to be able to go
This
ahead
should
and,
last us all the way
become
through
AI
admin abuse.
journalists?
We
Because
should be
you
good
see,
now.
through these 2 days, what we are essentially doing
And
is
I'll use
we are
my
setting
riot
you up on a
potion.
journey to become AI journalists. But
Yeah, that'll last us through
there is
admin
a
abuse.
vast
You're right.
portion that you have to discover after this
Good, okay.
mastermind gets done as
Stock
well.
plants.
I
Chat,
quickly
what
want to touch
what
upon
plants y'all
that
want them to stock?
segment right now before we get into the
Type in the
activity
chat,
that
what
all of
plants
you
y'all
will be
want to
doing, right? And
Yo,
the activity
Nate,
is
yo,
going to be
JK,
super
yo, Patrick
interesting.
Rodriguez.
So
Thank you,
stick
yo,
around
TikTok, I
till
appreciate
we
it.
complete the activity. And in terms of time,
Thank-
I think we are all doing very, very
There's a
well.
fake
We
Daniel
should
in
be
the
able to
chat,
wrap up
like-
today before the
Mango,
event
mango,
timeline
mango.
itself. You need not be on the call till 7 p.m. IST.
These
which
right here,
basically
these
means
mango
that all of you
seeds.
will get some additional time today to go ahead
I'm
and
sure he'll
practice
probably
some
do
of
it
the
near
things
the
that
end.
we
What's up,
learned as
Andrew
well.
Clifton?
So
Thank
I'll
you for the
go
member.
ahead
I
and
appreciate
give
it. Thank
you some workbooks also. But I want to use the next half an hour
We are
to give you all
17x
a
lug,
very
guaranteed
good direction in
15
terms
seconds.
of what you should be learning to become
17x
AI
lug.
generalists. Would you all love
Yeah,
that?
chat, what's y'all's
over
luck?
the next
Type
30
your-
minutes?
type how
Drop in
high
a
your
heart
luck is
or
in
a
the
thumbs
chat.
up if you would love
Curious
to
how high y'all got.
understand and
Bro,
learn
this
what are
man
all of the
is-
things that you should be learning.
This man is cooking.
Wonderful.
He's
Now,
got all dragons.
When we decided to teach
All
people
rainbow
how to become
dragons.
AI journalists and how to go next
Everything
into
in his
generative
base.
AI, we realized that
And
the
then all
fundamental problem
mangoes.
that everybody was having is that this technology
That
is
is
going
insane.
very, very
Look at
fast.
this, look at this.
When you look at channels like YouTube
Good
and
God.
Instagram and all of that,
Yo, Brian
you
Martinez,
see
thanks
a
for
lot
subscribing.
of people talking a lot
8.6,
about
4x.
multiple different AI tools. When we
100.
started asking our
I'm at
own
15.
learners
I'm
what
at
is
15
the problem
right now.
that they are facing to go neck deep into
I feel like
generative
that's
AI,
pretty good.
the common answer that we
feel like we're
always
doing-
got
we're doing
was
pretty good.
we don't know where to get started. We see
like
a lot
that, I
of
like
people building AI agents, a lot of
Strawberry
people
elephant?
building AI automations.
I don't think they have
but
a
when I
strawberry
thought of
elephant in
getting
this game,
started
do
with
they?
AI automations, I did not understand
Is
anything.
strawberry elephant a
I
thing in
really
this
do
game?
not know where to get started.
Yo,
with
Mamba,
to be
thank you for
able to
subscribing,
learn
Mamba.
all
I
this.
appreciate you.
How
Thank you
many
so
of
much.
you feel
Thank you so
or
much.
felt a similar
Dan,
way
thank you for subscribing, Dan. I
before
appreciate you.
before
Thank
you even
so
came
much.
into the AI mastermind?
Thank
Drop
you
in
so
me
much.
on the chat if you
Cool
also
kid,
felt
thank you for
lost.
subscribing.
If you also felt very, very cluttered in this entire space.
6.7 luck.
And that is why
Yo,
what
Andrew
we did
Clifton, thank
as
you
an
so much,
educational
man.
institute at Outskill is we created a 5
By the way, if
level
you're new and you haven't
and
subbed
if you
or
notice,
followed,
I will
we are
actually talk about all of these 5
literally
levels in detail right now.
about
If
to
you
hit
notice,
15 million
this
subs.
entire
We might hit it
mastermind is
today if
also
we're lucky,
based on
or,
these 5
or this weekend, maybe today,
And these
today or
are
tomorrow,
the 5
6 or
levels
7.
that you need to go very, very deep
So
into
subscribe
beyond
if you
the
guys are
mastermind
new.
also. So if you have been wondering
Roblox, thank you so much.
how
Andrew,
did we
thank you
decide
again.
what
Cobb,
to
thank
teach
you so much.
today and tomorrow in this mastermind, all of that is based on these 5
You know what
levels.
this game?
So what
This
I
game
want
is
to
like.
do
I said this
is I
last
want to
week.
explain this
This
structure
is the
to all of
perfect
you
game
so that
for
no matter
like
where
you're
you
on the
learn
bus
this
to
structure
school,
from,
or you're
go
sitting in the
this
doctor's
order.
office,
so that you are very
waiting to be
clear
called
now
back.
that you are a member of the Outskill family.
Or like
and
you're-
as I go
you're
ahead and share this
walking
with you,
around
I want
Walmart
all
or
of you to go ahead
something
and
waiting for
take
your mom to finish
so
shopping for
let
groceries.
me know once you have
Like,
your
it's a
notebook
chill
and pen
game. You don't
ready.
really have to think
Over the
about it
next
too much.
15 minutes, I will quickly run you
It's-
through
it's-
all the
it's
things that you need
satisfying to
focus
see all
on
these Brainrots
to become
get
AI
obliterated.
journalists, which you can do after this mastermind
It's-
ends
it's
as
good.
well.
It's
Drop
good.
in ready on the chat if you are ready for this, and I would want
Very
all
good.
of you to take
Hey, it's
sensitive
Jandal.
notes. When will we get to the activity? We will get
Oh my
to the
God.
activity right after
Jandal,
this.
what are you-
And then
What are you
during
doing?
the
Go,
activity we will have
go
time
do the
for a break
admin
as
abuse.
well.
What are you
So,
doing?
give me like
Thank you so
15
much,
minutes,
Jandal.
help you
That's
all
the real
understand
Jandal,
this,
by the way, chat
and
right
then
there.
we will get into
That's the
activity.
real one. If you're
Yeah?
wondering what the
Perfect.
real account is, that's him
Perfect.
right there.
Perfect.
Thank you so much,
Now-
man. That is insane.
All the people who would have probably
500
seen videos
right
around
there, man.
automations
Let's get a
or
hashtag
AI
Jandal
agents
in the
being
chat.
built,
Thank you so much.
that is not the place to start from.
Oh
when
my
you're
God,
trying
he
to
just
go
shouted
into
out
learning generative
my-
AI and using it, right? Because you
Oh my
need
God,
to
bro.
start from level 1.
He just
What is
shouted
level
out
1?
the Jandal
Level 1
on the
consists of
admin
a lot of
abuse.
things that we covered
Oh,
today.
shoot, bro.
Starts with prompting,
Oh,
the right way of
dude,
talking
that's crazy.
AI
Thank you,
models.
Daniel. I
We saw that
appreciate
there
it.
are multiple prompting techniques. Tomorrow,
Oh,
we're going to be
man.
covering a few of
handle.
them. We are going to be
That'll be
talking about
huge
some of the
handle.
system prompts
That's
and
insane.
markdown prompts as
Oh
well
my
tomorrow,
God. Anyway,
right? But
oh.
today we taught you one.
I used to. I don't know if
that
y'all know what
you
this
can all
is.
absolutely
Okay.
use at
But back
multiple
in my
different
day,
places, which is the
I had
magic
something called a
prompt
Game
form,
Boy.
right? But
Okay.
you need to go
And
learn
I would-
all of the
I would
different
take
types
it
of
to
prompting techniques also that are available.
Walmart
and
whenever
you need
I
to
went with my mom
experiment
to-
with AI models, because
Like
through this, I hope all of you have
Spyro or
realized through day one that all of these AI models have different capabilities. Depending on the capabilities of different models, you need to sit in the driver's seat and decide which model to use for which use case. If you end up using the same model for all of your use cases, your outputs will not be good. And somebody was asking sometime back on the chat, is it possible to run
I don't know
AI
because I'm
models
not old.
locally?
Okay,
and
buddy.
I did tell all of you that tomorrow we are going to show you a glimpse of how you can run AI models locally. You see, everything that we are learning is for us to be able to apply it for organizational use cases. Basically negating
So, like,
the
whenever you
whole
were done
question
playing
of
it,
security
put the
itself,
clothes and it'd
right?
make a flat
Because
noise,
it's
you know?
absolutely
It was
safe
so
to run
good. It
these
was so
models
good.
locally without connecting
was
to the
so good.
internet. We are going to touch base on that tomorrow, and then
Y'all wouldn't
you also
understand.
need to understand that when you use
The new
ChatGPT
gens won't
or
understand.
Claude or Gemini or any AI model,
Let me.
there are no
favorite
parameters
my
that we saw
secrets
that we
again.
could change today, right? We could not change any
Lost
parameters.
Tomatoro.
But when you go into the playgrounds
'Cause
of these models,
I'll probably
you
need
can
to sell my
change the
Brainrots soon,
token
but I don't wanna
consumption,
sell my
you can change
secrets.
the temperature,